Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Fast by Secondary Schools. Our project of Iqra Education System. Dear students of class 9, we are going through unit number 5, Healthy Lifestyle, and in that we are discussing health problems caused by mosquitoes. As we have already gone through keywords with their English and Urdu meaning and I have explained you this whole chapter, in this video lecture we are going to start reading comprehension exercises. But before that, I will take you through an interesting segment. Yes, very correct, a riddle. Here you are. A riddle before you on the board. Is there a word in English that has all the vowels including Y? A word in English that has all the vowels including Y. Here I would like to tell you that we have 5 ordinary vowels, or you can say initial vowels A, E, I, O, U, and we have 2 semi-vowels in English language. Those are Y and W. Y and W are semi-vowels, while A, E, I, O, U are the perfect vowels. So my brothers, the question is, you have to find out a word that contains all the 5 vowels and 1 semi-vowel, which is Y. You may think about it. Meanwhile, we will go through the reading comprehension exercises of unit number 5, Healthy Lifestyle. Here we are with the reading comprehension exercises, and you may open your books, page number 112, 112. Everybody come to page number 112. We will go through the first exercise on page number 112 on chapter number or unit number 5. So everybody, on page number 112, we have exercise number 1, and you will do this exercise in the book. I have written here, I have mentioned here that you have to do exercise number 1 on page number 112 in the book. I'll keep telling you which exercise to be done, whether in book or in your registers. So page number 112, exercise number 1 will be done in the book. Exercise says, tick the right answer. The text is about, ये जो पूरा text है जो passage हमने पढ़ा ये किस बारे में है? There are 4 options given and this is called multiple choice question. 4 options are given. These 4 options are given in exercise 1. Option number A, the life cycle of a mosquito. B, different kinds of dangerous mosquitoes. C, diseases caused by mosquitoes. Or D, use of pesticides for mosquito control. What you have to do here, you have to choose one option out of these 4 options which the text is all about. The question is, the text is about, and then 4 options are given. 4 options आपको given है. अब आप ये बताइए, you must have a pen in your hands everybody, blue pen in your hands, because we are doing this in our book, so we will solve this in the book. Take a blue pen in your hands and write down the dates on the top of the page. English date and Islamic date. Here English date and here Islamic date. So you people have to mention both the dates, English and Islamic, on the top of the page first of all. Before you go ahead with selecting or choosing the correct option out of ABCD, you must write down the dates on the top of the page on page number 112, English and Islamic dates. And now come to the exercise. You have to choose or tick one option out of these 4, the one which is correct. Question says the text is about. Question में क्या है कि ये text किस बारे में है? So what do you think? A, B, C, D. Life cycle of a mosquito. No. Okay. Different kinds of dangerous mosquitoes? This is absolutely not correct. Diseases caused by mosquitoes? Yes, correct. Very right. Yes, your answer is correct, my brothers. My dear students, you have correctly identified the correct option for exercise number 1. Really, this text is about diseases caused by mosquitoes, and we discuss about 3 diseases caused by mosquitoes: malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Very right. Now come to page number 113. On page number 113, exercise number 2 is given, and we will do this exercise also in the book. Exercise 2 says, circle the diseases mentioned in the text. ये जो 12 diseases टेक्स्ट में दी हुई हैं, इन्हें हमें सर्कल करना है. इनमें से कौन कौन सी डिजीजेस दी हुई हैं उन्हें सर्कल करना है. यानी कि इन 12 डिजीजेस में से कौन कौन सी डिजीजेस हमारी बुक में, हमारे पैसेज में, हमारे टेक्स्ट में मेंशन हैं, आपने उन्हें सर्कल करना है. सो दिस विल बी योर होम असाइनमेंट. There are 12 diseases given here: tuberculosis, jaundice, hepatitis, diphtheria, malaria, dengue, cholera, tonsillitis, influenza, yellow fever, chikungunya, cerebral malaria. So whatever the diseases mentioned in the text, you have to circle them here. इनमें से जो जो diseases हमारे text में, passage में आई हैं, आप उनको circle करेंगे. This is your home assignment. It's very easy. It's not difficult. Now let's come to exercise 3. Exercise number 3 is also on page number 113. It says, read the text, find the following words and underline them. इन अल्फाज को पैसेज में तलाश करें और अंडरलाइन करें, और उसके बाद कहते हैं नेक्स्ट वर्क विद द पार्टनर एंड ट्राई टू गेस देयर मीनिंग फ्रॉम द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. After you have discussed the meanings of all these words, check your answers from the glossary given at the end of this book. अच्छा, ये एक्सरसाइज आपको करना क्या है इसमें कि ये जो वर्ड्स गिवन है यहाँ पर, दे आर अराउंड 24 वर्ड्स. 20 वर्ड्स आर गिवन हियर. आपको ये 20 वर्ड्स अपनी बुक में अंडरलाइन करने हैं, और उसके बाद ये कह रहे हैं कि इनकी मीनिंग बताइए. तो ये जो वर्ड्स इंग्लिश मीनिंग और उर्दू मीनिंग का जो काम हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन से पहले किया था, ये इसी एक्सरसाइज को सामने रखते हुए किया था. ये वोकैबुलरी एक्सरसाइज होती है, इसको हम हमेशा वर्ड्स इंग्लिश मीनिंग और उर्दू मीनिंग के तौर पर करते हैं. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. आई हैव रिटन हियर ऑलरेडी डन, और ये ऑलरेडी डन कहाँ है भाई? ये हमारे रजिस्टर्स में हुई भी है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4. Exercise number 4 is also given on page number 113, and it says, work in pairs and see how many of these words you can use in your own sentences. The pair that will make the most correct sentences will be the winner. Anyways, we have already done this exercise in the activity on words, English meaning, Urdu meaning and sentences. On double pages we did it, if you remember. So exercises number 3 and 4 we have already done in the register as words, English meaning, Urdu meaning, sentences. So we won't be covering it anymore now. Let's move on to exercise number 5. Exercise number 5 is also on page number 113. Exercise number 5 is also on page number 113. It is starting from page number 113 and going on to page number 114. This exercise is actually a multiple choice questions where you have different options to choose from. Multiple choice questions, आपको पता होगा, choose the correct answer का नया नाम, या modern English में इसको हम choose the correct answer नहीं कहते, बल्कि multiple choice questions कहते हैं, जहां पर आपके पास multiple choice होती हैं. ऐसा सवाल जिसमें मल्टीपल चॉइस हो और उसमें से एक चॉइस सही हो, उसे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस कहते हैं. सो हियर यू आर ऑन पेज नंबर 113. रीड द टेक्स्ट एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन. नंबर 1, it is important to find out what the exact disease is so that A. The patient can rest. B. We can tell everyone about it. C. It can be treated properly. D. The patient can decide what to do. Come to page number 114. It says number 2. The malaria parasite attacks the dash. A. White blood cells. B. Brain. C. Stomach. D. Red blood cells. Number 3. Once the dengue virus enters the system, it affects the dash. Immune system, digestive system, circulatory system or nervous system. 4. In severe cases of dengue, bleeding may occur in the eyes and ears, brain, stomach and intestine, gums and nose. Number 5. Chikungunya patients usually have fever with shivering, rashes, bleeding or chills. ये 5 क्वेश्चंस 4 ऑप्शंस के साथ गिवन है. आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन को टिक करना है. यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. टिक करेंगे सिर्फ ब्लू पेन से. बाय यू विल राइट डाउन द डेट्स ऑन पेज नंबर 113. जिस तरह आपने पेज नंबर 112 पर इंग्लिश और इस्लामिक डेट्स को मेंशन किया था, इसी तरह पेज नंबर 113 पर भी इंग्लिश और इस्लामिक डेट्स को मेंशन करेंगे. ठीक है. और उसके बाद ब्लू पेन से सारा काम होगा. बुक में कोई काम पेंसिल से नहीं होता. यू विल नॉट वर्क विद पेंसिल इन द बुक, नथिंग एट ऑल, नीदर डेट्स नॉर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस. ना आप डेट पेंसिल से डालेंगे, ना आप क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व पेंसिल से करेंगे. डायरेक्टली पेन से काम होगा, ब्लू पेन से काम होगा, डेट्स के साथ काम होगा. याद रखिएगा. सो हियर वी हैव exercise number 5. Now we will go through exercise number 6. So my brothers, in exercise number 6 there is a table given on page number 114 and you have to do this exercise number 6 in the register. You have to make a table like I have done or I have drawn on the board here with 4 columns. Column number 1 is of diseases. Number 2, source of transmission. Number 3, cells attacked. And number 4, symptoms. You have to make these 4 columns in your register. Okay? And then you have to write all the 3 diseases along with their source of transmission, cells attacked and their normal symptoms, common symptoms. You don't need to write all the symptoms as we discussed in the chapter and I wrote on the board, but you will write the common symptoms of each disease. As you know, there are 3 diseases. Number 1, malaria. Number 2, dengue. And number 3, chikungunya. You people will do it because we have already discussed it. You will do it on your own. We have not only discussed but I have also explained in detail on the board, through the book and through my explanation. I hope you can do this easily. And that's all for today. I think you people have to do exercises number 1 to 6 of unit number 5. Exercise 1 you people will do in your book, 2 you will do in your book, 3 and 4 we have already done, 5 you will do in your book and 6 in the register. So which means that you have to do 4 exercises, 3 in the book, 1 in the register. I have written your home assignment. You may write it down in your diaries, everybody. Note your home assignment in your diaries immediately. Do exercises 1, 2, 5 and 6. I've mentioned here 1 to 5 in the book and 6 in the register, just for your remembrance. Do exercises 1 to 5 and 6. 3 in register, 3 in book and 1 in register. It's not time to answer the riddle I asked you at the beginning of this video session. Let's go through that. Here you are with the answer on the board. Unquestionably. Is there a word in English that has all the vowels including Y? So the word is unquestionably. Unquestionably is a word which means without any question, that requires no question. So the word is unquestionably. You can see 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. All the 5 vowels including a semi-vowel Y. So this is the word unquestionably that contains all the vowels including Y. I hope you enjoyed this riddle. You will enjoy more asking this riddle to your friends, family and relatives. And now it's time to love you and leave you. We will meet again in the next video lecture. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Eat a lot of protein, carbs, vitamin and minerals. Do a lot of exercise. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.